Good morning students, this is Latif sir. Today I am going to discuss about electrolytic refining of metals. This is an application of electrolysis. So what is electrolytic refining? Electrolytic refining is a process by which metals containing impurities are purified electrolytically to give a pure metals. So electrolytic refining is basically purification of metals with the help of purification of impure metals with the help of electrolysis is known as electrolytic refining. Now example of electrolytic refining refining of copper. You can see the figure 6.10 refining of copper. For the electrolytic refining of copper, you have to use slabs of impure copper as anode and strip of pure copper as cathode, and the electrolyte used is a solution of copper sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid. Solution of copper sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid is used as electrolyte. Now when the current is passed through the electrolyte, the copper ion of the copper sulfate solution are attracted to the cathode, where they gain electrons and get deposited on the pure copper strips, that is on the cathode. And the impure copper loses electron. Impure copper from anode loses electrons and passes into solution as soluble copper ion. So the reaction at cathode is copper 2 plus 2 electron, copper 2 plus from electrolytic solution, plus 2 electron arrow copper metals. So cathode reaction is Cu2 plus 2 electron arrow Cu, and the anode reaction is Cu from anode, copper metal from anode loses 2 electrons, so Cu minus 2 electron and it becomes Cu2 plus. And this copper ion Cu2 plus ion migrate to the cathode in the form of procession, and after gaining electron from the cathode get deposited on the cathode. And the net result is that gradually the impure slabs of copper get finished and the thin strips of pure copper become thicker and thicker. And in this process, the copper deposited on the cathode is 99.9% pure. So by using this process, you can purify impure copper with the help of electrolysis. Now some impurities from impure copper get dissolved in the acid, while others, namely silver and gold, which are insoluble and get collected near the anode, which is known as anode mud. So the importance of anode mud is anode mud contain many important metals like gold, silver, etc. And the last application of electrolysis, which is given in your book, which is electrometallurgy. And this topic I'll discuss in the next chapter, in the chapter 7 metallurgy. In the chapter 7 metallurgy, I'll discuss about electrometallurgy. Okay, thank you students.